Hi, I'm Life Coach David. I'm a certified and very experienced Law of Attraction life coach. And I just wanted to make this video today because a friend of mine asked me, she said, David, how do I attract more money? I'm not attracting enough money. And as soon as I heard her word it in that way, I said to her, well, now I know why you're not attracting more money. And she said, what do you mean? I said, because do you hear how when you're asking that question, you're coming from a low vibration about money? You're actually sounding like, how am I going to get money? Where's it going to come from? And she was like, wow. It just clicked in her mind like, that's right. That's how I've been thinking about money. And then, of course, she said, well, what do I do to help shift that vibration so I can attract more money? I said, well, what would you do if you had a lot of money? And she said something like, oh, I travel a lot. I go buy myself some jewelry. I would buy my daughter this, buy my daughter that. And we went through about 5 minutes of talking about what she would do if she had a lot of money. And she, even just after that short amount of time, was like, wow, I already feel more positive about money. And I said, well, that's the key. You have to raise your vibration about money to attract it because law of attraction is a law and it's just matching your vibration. So the lower your vibration about money, the lower vibration experiences you're going to have and you're not going to attract it. However, if you change your way of thinking and you deliberately raise your vibration about money, even if you don't have it, you're going to start attracting more money. And it's not your job to know how or when. You just have to keep yourself in a high vibration about it. So she was very glad I told her, and I heard from her since, and she's definitely doing the work to keep herself in a higher vibration about money. And to demonstrate my little story, I have some friends for you to meet. This is Thelma, and this is Louise. So both Thelma and Louise in this story, they both don't have any money and they both want more money. However, Thelma's walking around, wait, this is Thelma. Thelma's walking around doing her thing, thinking all thoughts about lack of money. How am I going to pay my bills? I want to buy this, but I can't afford it. How am I going to do this? Oh my God, what's going to happen? And Louise, on the other hand, even though she doesn't have any money, she's walking around thinking, oh, I can't wait till I have so much money so I can buy myself this and buy myself that. And it's just going to feel really good. I'm going to feel so free. And she's walking around thinking those wonderful high vibration thoughts about money. So in both examples, we know who's going to start attracting more money. And that's what you have to do. And if you're wanting to attract more money or whatever it is, you've got to keep yourself in what's called a high vibration about it and get excited about it even though you don't have it yet. And by doing that, you'll draw it to you. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and remember that as a Law of Attraction life coach, I have weekly coaching sessions with my clients, and they're really helpful in helping them attract what they want, helping them feel really happy, and we can talk about anything and find a solution. So check out the link below, check out my website, and I always offer a first free mini phone coaching session. Oh, my coaching is held over the phone, so it doesn't matter where you live. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.